I've been getting out of bed these past few days. Think it's fair to be proud about it. I've quit ordering from all those fast food chains. I'm feeling better, there's no doubt about it. And my days are brighter, my shoulders are so much lighter. Just for a moment there, I thought that there was nothing more to life. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about it. Just for a moment there, I lost myself. Mind if I be real for a minute? It's almost like everything I feel had a limit. It now gone past, finding reasons to smile and to laugh. And whenever it's a bad day, music is my band-aid.
What's up guys, over here from Animal Racing Customs, and yeah, what we've got here in front of us is one spectacular color of a wheel. Tristan, a very good friend of ours, brought the rims in to revamp them with a lot of curb rash, and yeah, it shows a very unique color on the wheels. So yeah, it is insane. You guys will see now as soon as I switch over the color of the wheels and everything. So yeah, Tristan, the client, what do you think of the color of the wheels?
I'm crazy about the wheels. Yeah, so the idea came, look, the car's pink, and it's not an ordinary pink that you get, and it certainly stands out from the crowd.
And I think with the wheels as itself, just to break that thing, it's gonna put it beyond belief, especially you guys that do the stance shows and shows like that. This is a very unique color for us to paint the wheels, like the rose gold wheels that we helped out with. But yeah, check this wheels out. It is insane. It's a chocolatey bronze type of color with a shit ton of metallic pearl in it. But yeah, as you guys see, the client's happy, we are happy. It looks amazing. The curb rash is out of all the wheels, and yeah, now it's time to fit the tires, and yeah, then you'll see the rims on the car itself. Cheers guys.
Here the other day I turned off all the lights, spent an hour with my memories, and